Welcome to AutoWorld of Conway, where today we'll be previewing a fully restored 1998 Chevrolet Silverado. This is a top pecking order truck. Has everything that you would want and then some. Look at the body, goodness gracious. 350 four-wheel drive, upgraded wheels, and the list goes on and on and on. Starting to sprinkle on me here a little bit, but we're going to try to get through this. But we'll take some time today to really understand her condition, and so that way you can understand why this truck is as nice as we say it is, maybe even nicer, I don't know. So the gentleman recently passed away that has been restoring this truck. And you'll see in our photo gallery a handwritten list in his own hand of everything that's been done over the last couple years. And his attention to detail is terrific. Oops. Odometer says 230,000 miles, but in condition like this, who cares? The dash has been replaced, the door panels, the carpet, the seats, the headliner. It's got the console like you would find in the Tahoes. Behind the seat, upgraded stereo system, nothing crazy. It's good as both sides. Recovered, dual exhaust, step boards, hinge pins done, repainted, and Oxford white. And the paint on it is just phenomenal. Hard to tell with white. I waited till it had some overcast. Bumpers, grill, headlights, tow hooks, the lamps. And I wish I could say we detailed this engine bay, but this is exactly how we received it. R in the VIN code dictates this is a 350. Runs flawlessly. I've even replaced the hood insulation. Again, being a southern truck, will be rust-free. Water from the sprinkle that we just received. Now you can see the texture. Beautiful, beautiful paint. Yeah, again, Silverado, so it's power windows and door locks. Also has keyless entry. All the plastic's been replaced. Perfect heat and air. And the spid tag. Close up of that in the photo album. Door panels, gorgeous. All the weather stripping, felts. Change the aesthetics of this truck. You know, whether you lowered it a little bit or moved the running boards, and buck deflectors, and things like that. Again, each of their own. Tow package. You know, trying to get to see this paint. bedrock on top of spray and bed liner. Two door panels, the factory door panels, in still good shape, so we'll let that go with the truck. Tail lights new, again, everywhere you look. Shocks, dual exhaust. Push button 4-wheel drive, air conditioning. That all works, I'm not going to mess with that. This will go for a drive here. Our main dealership where all the cars get prepared for sale. That Cutlass just came in. I'm just noticing, again, one crack right there.